In my previous video, I've shown you about Systems of Equations Part 1. Have you watched that video yet? If you haven't, I suggest that you watch that video first and then you come back to this video. In this video, I will teach you a more challenging question on systems of equations and we'll start right now. Hello everyone, my name is Shirley and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you'd like to improve in your maths and mx skills, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so that you don't miss anything. Let's take a look at this example. Let's look at this question. Andy, Billy and Caleb work in a shoe store. Their total sales in the last month was 1,850 ringgit. Andy's sales were 150 ringgit more than Billy's. The total sales of Billy and Caleb was 950 ringgit more than Andy's sales. Calculate the value of sales of each salesman in RM. So let the sales of Andy in RM to be X, the sales of Billy in RM to be Y, and the sales of Caleb in RM to be Z. Okay, so let's look at this question again. Their total sales in the last month was 1,850. So, which means that is X plus Y plus Z is equals to 1850. So this one, I'm going to take this as equation 1. Next, we continue reading. Andy's sales were 150 more than Billy's. Okay, which means that is X minus Y is equals to 150. So this will be equation number 2. Okay, let's continue reading. The total sales of Billy and Caleb was 950 ringgit more than Andy's. Okay, which means that is Y plus Z minus X is equals to 950. Okay, so now I'm going to rearrange this so that my negative X can be in front plus Y plus Z equals to 950. So this is my equation number 3. So now we have the 3 equations already. We see what we can eliminate. Okay, so the first one, I'm going to eliminate the X, okay, which is here. So I'm going to use equation 1 minus equation 2. So equation 1 minus 2. Okay, so X minus X is 0, so means that X is eliminated. So Y minus Y become 2Y. And then Z, that's a Z, you just bring it down, okay? So equals to, so 1,850 minus 150 is 1,700. And this is equation 4. Okay, next we're going to eliminate, we're going to use 1 and 3, okay, to eliminate the X. Okay, just now was this and this, 1 and 2, now is 1 and 3. Okay, so I'm going to use 1 plus 3 to eliminate the X. Okay, so X plus negative X is 0, so X is eliminated. Then Y plus Y, so Y plus Y is 2Y. Z plus Z is 2Z. And then 1,850 plus 950 is 2,800. Okay? So this is equation 5. So now we're going to solve equation 4 and 5. So I'm going to eliminate the 2y. So I'm going to use equation 4 minus 5. So equation 4 minus 5. So 2y minus 2y is 0, so y is eliminated. So z minus 2z is negative z. So 1,700 minus 2,800 is negative 1,100. Okay, so to find z, I'm going to shift the negative 1 on the left to the right. It becomes positive 1,100. So now we have the value of z. So I'm going to take this as equation number 6. Okay, so now I'm going to substitute equation 6 into equation 4 here, okay, to find the value of y. So I'm going to write here sub equation 6, okay, into 4. So equation 4 is 2y plus the z is 1100, okay, equals to 1700. Okay, so now we solve the value for y. So 2y equals to 1700 minus 1100 is 600. So y is 600 divided by 2 is 300. So now we have found the value of y. So y is 300. Okay, I'm going to take this as equation 7. Okay, so now we have to find the value of x. So I'm going to substitute equation 6 and 7, okay, to find the value of x. Let's see which one is easier. Okay, I'm going to sub 7 into 2 to find the value of x. Okay, so I'm going to sub 7 into equation 2, okay, to find the value of x. So x minus y equals to 150. So we can find the value of x already. So x is 150 plus with 300, so we got 450. Okay, so now we have the values of x, y, and z. Okay, so we're going to write a statement at the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to write it here. I'm going to write it here, over here. Okay, so therefore the sales of Andy, so Andy is x. Okay, so it's 450 ringgit. And sales of Billy, so Billy is y. So Billy is y. So y is 300. So therefore it's 300 ringgit. And the sales of Caleb is z. Z is 1100. So 1100 ringgit. So that's the answer. Well, that's all for now. Do you understand what you learned today? Let me know in the comments below. If you find this video useful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my new videos every single week. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you will keep on learning, keep on practicing, and keep on watching my videos, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!